Good morning, student. This chapter more on internet we discussed earlier as about the e-commerce. Internet commerce means internet business, and we discussed about the producers, sellers, buyers, and here four basic modes of e-commerce available here: business to business, business to consumer, consumer to consumer, and digital middle person. We discussed this topic earlier. Now we'll discuss about the advantages of e-commerce. There are several advantages of e-commerce. Some of them are as follows. You do not need to go to showrooms or shops to buy products. This nowadays we are buying a products by the help of online shopping we are doing. So no need to no need to go to showrooms or shops to buy a product. Then you do not need to carry cash from home to shop with the fear of losing it. So here while online transaction happen, so with the help of these online transactions we are able to pay the bill also. If you do not need to search an item manually with the help of salesperson. So here uh, all the images, all the products are given in the particular site. That site you have to select what you want to search, and then after that you all the product will show. So students, you are knowing about this all online shopping. These are the advantages of e-commerce. Then how to do the payment, it is given here. So e-commerce payment system means an e-commerce payment system accepts electronic payment for online transaction. This is known as electronic data interchange, EDI. These online payment systems are used with online shopping and banking. So how to do the online shopping, it is given here. There are different types of payment system like traditional credit, debit, and charge card. New technologies such as digital wallets, e-cash, mobile payment, and e-checks are also getting popular with people. Another form of payment system used allow the third party companies like PayPal to complete an online transaction for you. These companies are called payment service providers, means PSP. So while doing the online shopping, you are using some digital wallets or e-cash or mobile payment or e-checks you are giving, or nowadays we are using the phone pay or Paytm, like this you are using for do the online shopping. And the students, you are familiar of that all the apps, I know. So here over the years, credit card have become one of the most common forms of payment for e-commerce transaction. But increased security measures such as we use the card verification value (CVV) are required to detect any kind of fraud. So, what do you mean by credit cards? Credit card means one card same as the ATM. The bank employee will provide you with the help of your account, and then that the bank will give you some amount to amount means prepaid amount for that particular card. And that card, if you want to do the shopping, first cashless card is given here, given will give you, and that you have to do the shopping with the help of that credit card. After that the bill will generate, and the after that the bill will generate after a month, and that due date you have to pay the bill. This is the use of credit card. And while the security measures, the credit card means at the back of the credit card CVV is required. That means number you have to give for online transaction, and then OTP will come in your registered number, registered mobile number, which is connected with your bank account. And then with the help of that OTP you are able to pay the bill of that your shopping. Then a smart card is also help for your that card payment. And you can use the your card at various retailer and on the internet also. A popular smart card nowadays is Visa smart card. Then commerce e-commerce sites and ethics means e-commerce sites, some sites are given here, and ethics means rules. That rule you have to follow that rules. And rule first you have to follow that rules means how to do the shopping, and how to means how to aware of that frauds like this it will show in the paragraph that e-commerce sites are the special sites with some extra security features. Trust is one of the key factors of this site. Buying product through internet is very easy and simple, but you must do not do it alone or without the permission of your parents or elders. There are numerous fraud companies which sell the products and services. They may steal your credit card codes and PIN, and you may run up with huge bill of credit cards while you might have purchased product for few hundred rupees only. So sorry, you must be very careful while buying the product online. So student, while buying the shopping online, while paying the bill, you must be with your parents. And then because nowadays very fraud companies are there, while show the means show the same product which will given which is shown in the another side means they will reduce the price of that particular product and will show you. And the online shopping, the user will see and then buy with the less, buy with the less product, less means less price, and sometimes it will come to the fraud also. So here, while buying a product, you must be very careful. And some powerful powerful, some of the popular e-commerce sites are here: amazon.com, ebay, India Times, bookseller, online.com, then fabmart.com. These are the popular e-commerce sites. And see here, see sometimes means advertisement will come, and that particular advertisement, if they says that click here and you will get the rewards, or you will get the price, or you will get some means cash. So no need to click on that particular link. Just ignore that link. And always you have to buy the product. If you want to buy the product online, so you have to use some popular e-commerce site only. No need to click on any other site, that site you are not knowing earlier. Then come to the multiple choice question. The people involved with commerce are categorized into three types. Then people who purchase products are buyer. The key factor of e-commerce sites are trust and security. Then how to do the online shopping. Online shopping means buying product using internet. You need authorized e-commerce site and a debit card and credit card for this purpose. First, you have to know the website, means authorized website of e-commerce, and then you have debit or credit card with you to pay the bill of that particular product which you are buying with the help of online shopping. First of all, you sign in your account if you are having, otherwise register it. And then after that you have to uh, means search the product which you want, means what you want to buy. And then if you select that product, then go to the add to cart. And after that you have to proceed to checkout. After that checkout, we will that shipping option will come. That shipping option, you have to give the address of yours. And then after that you have to select the select what payment mode. And that payment mode, if you want to give means cash on delivery or credit card or debit card, you have to select the bank card name. And that particular bank card name, you have to write the in on that card, ATM card, the digits, 12 digit will 12 digit displays there. That digits you have to write on that particular box. And then card holder name you have to give, the expiry date of that particular ATM card, debit card or credit card you have to give. After that, CVV number. And then after process that proceeding the payment, the OTP will come in the registered number. That number or that OTP you have to type. And then after that it will continue for continue for payment. And then Afterwards it will show the payment confirmation, means the product which you are buying, that product confirmation will shown in that window only. Then after that, online news is given here. So most of the newspaper and news channels nowadays have internet version, so you can visit them online. So using the internet you can access newspaper and news channels from all over the world. If you want, if you are busy, or if you are doing job, or if you are traveling somewhere, and if you want to read the news, so some news channels are providing the website also. That website you have to access and get the current news. So some website is given here, www.ndtv.com or hindustantimes.com or and kidnews.com. Then that particular website you have to write in the um, write in the address bar, and then you will be getting the website. And after that that website will show you the means show you the use of particular date or current date or the back date also. Then come to the video conferencing. Video conferencing is one of the most exciting features of internet. Two people from different place can talk if they are sitting face to face by video conferencing. So how to do the video call you are knowing. Like this you have to do the video call. And video conferencing you have a large scale companies, uh, TV shows while doing the chatting, that their face to face conversations will happen, the people who are sitting at different locations. Like this you have to, like this you are doing the video conferencing. Video conferencing means do the video call to your friends or your that employee or your colleagues, like this. So student, next topic we'll discuss in the next chapter. Thank you.